Hello my shining stars. So today we are doing class 3 Learn and Solve Maths by Children Voice publication. So let's start. Chapter 8 Symmetry and Patterns. Symmetry. Figures which can be divided into two equal halves of a line are called symmetrical figures. The line that divides a shape into two exact halves is called the line of symmetry. One half is the mirror image of the other. See example here. The first one, when you fold this triangle along the line of symmetry, one half fits exactly over the other. We have this triangle, and when we are folding it like this about this line, so we are getting two equal halves. So now when you keep a mirror on the line of symmetry and look from either side, the shape looks like the original, right? So now assessment 1, the first one, look at the object shapes shown below. Does the dotted line divide each object or shape into two equal halves? Like A part, see here, is this line dividing into two equal halves? So yes, this is right, it is dividing. And B, yes. C, here one handle is here, but this side nothing is there, so no, we are not getting two equal halves. And D, yes. So I hope this is clear to you. The second one, draw the other halves of the following figure. We have this line of symmetry, we have to complete the figure, the other half, right? You can try this one. Now here the third one, complete these letters and numbers, like here A part, this is A alphabet, complete it. B part, this becomes H alphabet, okay. C part, here it becomes B letter, okay. So like this, you can try this one. Now the fourth one, use dotted line to divide the following figures into two equal halves. So very simple. See how we can get like A part. So from the center we can divide it. Similarly B part, butterfly. So like this we will get equal parts. ऐसे ही teddy bear है C part में. Central line you will take, and D part you will take central line, okay. Now we are talking about patterns. These are all around us in nature, close and even on things like leaves on a branch, you can see, petals of a flower, fence, you can see this designing patterns, and see this wall, bricks. So rules in pattern. So here these patterns keep on repeating, right? Like here this, you can see this is rectangle, then standing, then this, okay. The second one here, two circles and then two rectangles, then two circles, then two rectangles. So they are forming a designing, a repeated patterns, a repeated, designing is here. So this is forming a pattern, okay. So on the clothes, building, so many things. In nature we can see beautiful designing, that is the pattern. So these patterns keep on increasing like this. Here the first one, 3 dots, then we are increasing the dots, then we are increasing, then we are increasing the number of dots. Like the second one here, 1 square, then 2, then 3, then 4. Okay, now teachers note, tell the children that many letters of the English alphabet are symmetrical. For example, A, B, C, D, E, H, K and M, right? Now, think smarter and critical thinking is here. And one math lab activity, you can try these one. Aptitude reasoning is also here. I hope the concept is very much clear to you. So thank you for watching this video. Stay connected with us for more videos. Stay happy, stay blessed.